Hey everyone, friends! Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. So here we have DaVinci Resolve, and to change the aspect ratio, there are basically two methods you can use. The first one is to press Shift +9. This tab opens up and here we have the aspect ratio, right? So to edit it, we click here and select our aspect ratio. For example, this will be 16:9, this is 4:3, and so on. Here you'll just need to look up your aspect ratio online. So you choose the one you need here. Click Save there, and it changes immediately, or you can go through File, click on Project Settings, and you can also adjust the settings here. As you can see, here's square or cube. Here it'll be a bit wider by a third, and so on. Here we have a more advanced option. Or of course you can enter your own aspect ratio there. Well, let's say I want to choose the standard 16:9. Click Save there. And here, if you need to edit something more precisely, click and select the guides here to see how it'll look. That's all. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.